It's not in the stars to hold our destiny, but in ourselves. A very warm and auspicious good morning to one and all present here. Meet me, I'm Charlie, student of Rajas Kumar Spoken English Center, taught by Mr. Vikram sir. Guys, today a very special theme which is based on the Starlink internet is coming to India. For knowing better, we'll go through the Elon Musk. He is the founder of Starlink. As just you are knowing that Elon Musk, through the humanity, he has the big goals and dreams. Also, he wanted to colonize the Mars and many more missions in the way. If you just go through the 2018, so he had launched his car, which is the Tesla Roadster, in out of the space, and it is also completing its orbit as to the sun as the Earth. But how he is become able to do this? I just were knowing that the SpaceX, which is one of the most important assets of the Elon Musk, and by the help of SpaceX, we are able to launch the many more satellites in out of the space. Now the big questions are here, that what is the Starlink first function, cost and speed, and what Elon Musk had announced for the India. As just knowing that Starlink is based on the satellite internet which will provide to the remote areas. It can totally change their lifestyles, and also it is the hope of the new development. If you just go through the India, so in India also in current time the Indian government had announced that he will provide the highest speed satellite internet about the Galwan Valley, which is based on the Ladakh. And these kinds of approx 5,000 remote villages are present in all over the Indias in 15 states, including the Mizoram, Manipur, Tripura, Ladakh, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand, and many more states are present. If you just think about what will be the speed, so the new satellite internet, it will provide the speed is the range of 2 to 20 Mbps, which is too high. As just we go through the average highest speed in India, so it is only the 12.07, and as the worldwide is 35.26. So the 20 is not too much bad. And if we just think which company had tie up with India, so it is a global company about the Hughes network, and because it is the Indian subsidiary, it's called the Hughes India. And having tapping with that, our government wanted to provide satellite internet approximately 2.5 lakhs of the panchayats in whole over the India. So as just knowing that more of the northern areas, there isn't present the satellite internet or any single internet. So the most of the international companies and many of our internal companies also wanted to invest in that era. So that for the reason Elon Musk, he had replied on Twitter that he is waiting for the regulatory approval, which is not too much difficult. After that, in our country, also mid of the 2020, his ambition to provide the satellite internet. After just go through the Elon Musk company. So like in USA, that approx 900 of the satellite they had launched in space, and because of that their internet speed is 50 to 150, which is too high. It's the strange thing that which people live in the Delhi and Mumbai, also they are not getting as much of the speed of internet. So now they have one more question arising in our mind, that if the British government and Indian government wanted to invest, so there isn't present any of the private company of India which is in that era. Obviously, the Bharti group, they had tie up with an British government, and they has purchased the OneWeb, which function are same as the SpaceX Starlink. And the OneWeb, there is also present the more expectation, that for the reason they had also announced through a newspaper that in 2022 it will be on the era, because there is the need to change the many of the policies. Now many of the scientists, they are just fearing that if that much, because the Elon Musk had told that in the whole world to provide the satellite internet, there is the need of more than 10,000 of the satellites. So what will about the space debris? Space debris called the pollution and garbages which will be produced by the satellites. So in that way, the Elon Musk had explained that the new satellite will be light in weight, and in size it will be the little compact, and also we will launch in our own orbit, so it is not going to produce more pollution, and the other satellites won't be disturbed. So we can think that our future is full of the hope. So knowing the better way about the space education, you can connect with our next video, and also you can follow us in Facebook.